Video we are going to learn how to download the Eclipse, okay, for your computer, okay, Eclipse IDE. So first open the Chrome and then type here Eclipse installer download. Okay, it's already typed. You just click on the first link coming over here from the www.eclipse.org. okay, then click over the Windows 86 64-bit. okay, so click over the download here and the download will start. See, the download has started. I'm cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So let's go to the downloads and search Eclipse over here and show all 37 and yeah, it's present here. So after the download it will come like this: Eclipse inst JRE win 64-bit. okay, and it will open like this. So after opening, you click over the Eclipse IDE for Java developers and then click on install. okay, and this will completely install the Eclipse IDE for you. okay, I have already installed it. This will install. okay, and create start menu entry and create desktop shortcut. This is also important, huh? So make sure you have ticked these options. So guys, it has installed and the launch option has come here, so I'm launching it. okay, so see, this is how it gets launched. okay, since I've already installed, there may be some of the other programs coming or maybe not. okay, so this is the workspace. This is the location where your each and every Eclipse project will be saved, okay, in the C drive, and coming on to users and then HP and then Eclipse workspace it has created. I'm launching it. Some previous programs may come or may not, okay, because I have already used and I have already downloaded Eclipse. okay, so let it open. It always takes some time to open in any laptop. It does not matter that how much high-speed laptop you're using or low-speed laptop, it just takes time to open. It has launched. So this is how it opens and this is how you download the Eclipse. okay, so do not worry, these are the old projects that I have taken the tutorials of, so do not worry. Currently I'm not telling you how to use this, and the screen can be white of your Eclipse IDE. okay, do not worry, that's not a dark mode. So I hope that you have known that how to download the Eclipse IDE for your computer, and I wish that you keep on learning, and we will meet in the next video telling you that how to set up a Java project, and I hope that eventually we will write our first script of Selenium and learn the concepts. So meet you in the next video.